Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, August the 14th, 2020. I made this video today because it is such an important topic. And you know, Darko and I have one purpose with our Coaches Corner, and that is to serve our community, serve our trading community, specifically, of course, to serve our subscribers. And just to lead them get them successful, get into consistent profitability. Okay, that's the main thing. Here's the thing about trading though. There are some principles of trading that are absolutely profoundly important. And if you don't understand them and you don't employ them and adhere to them, you ain't gonna make it in this business. That's just the truth of it. If you fail to follow them, not only do you get financial loss, but worse than that, you get psychological loss. And that is really tough to recover from. It can be anyway. So we don't want to see that happen. The story today is absolutely foundational to trading. Don't gloss over this, please. Really listen to it. It's a true story. And it's about the holy grail of trading, which is risk management. And so here's what happened. I was a futures broker for 5.5 years. And while I was there, retail FX started to get really popular. And, you know, you saw Forex made easy on TV with the green lights and the red lights, and you just click the green light and go golfing, and you come back and you made a whole bunch of money. Well, we know how that all turned out. But what it did is it generated a heck of a lot of interest in the FX trading business. So at the time, my partner and I had all these people, you know, opening up accounts, and they didn't know what to do. So we decided to run a fund. So we got a whole bunch of client money together, like, I don't know, $500,000 or something like that. People put in varying amounts, and we traded it for them. And there was a unique way that we could trade at that time. That's another story, but it was unbelievable. So we were doing quite well with it. And we had one guy who put in $20,000, and 3 months later, his account was up to $26,000, 30% in 3 months. Pretty good return, we thought. Well, this guy kept calling us and saying, hey, you know, there's other trades we could have taken. We could have held that longer. We could have, oh, there's a great trade on the US CAD we should have done. And we said, hey, listen, if you want, we can move the money back to yourself, and it can be a self-directed account. You can make all the trades you want. And he said, yeah, that'd be great. Just do that. So we did. We moved it over to him. It was like on a Wednesday or something. On the Thursday, might have the days quite not, it doesn't really matter, but he put another $90,000 into his account. So we had $26,000 plus $116,000 in his account. And my partner and I are going like, this guy, I think he thinks he's going to take this to $1 million or something in a few days. Anyway, he started trading it on Friday. The following Monday, so we had the weekend, over the weekend, the Monday, his account, at the close of the day, his account was down to $15,000. $100,000 wiped out, gone. That's no kidding. I mean, we just couldn't believe it. And in fact, the funny thing is, my partner called him up and said, hey, how's it going? Did you get your account going? He says, yeah, it's going really good. You know, the guy was in complete denial about what happened. Incredible, but that's probably in psychological shock. So, you know, I started off by telling you that the purpose of our service is to serve our members. And that's why I made this video. I want you to hear stories like that. I want you to know how important it is that you don't do stupid things like that. So I hope you found this helpful. Maybe you've over leveraged your own account. Maybe you know what I'm talking about here. You got to stop doing that if you're doing it, okay? Because you're not going to last long. I've seen people get away with over leveraging for days, weeks, even months. And eventually they get what I call an account kung fu, where everything gets wiped out, they're knocked out, they're done. Okay, and listen, I've been trading a long time. I'm speaking from a lot of years of experience. I have other war stories like this that are true, including for myself too, which maybe I can cover in a future episode here. But I really think that, I hope that you know, take in what I've just said and understand it. Risk management, I mean, that's just a class, that's an extreme case of what happens when it goes wrong. So anyway, I hope that you like this video. If you did, how about you hit the like button, okay? If you could, what I can do is if I see a lot of people like this, I'll do more. I have other stories that are they're very relevant to what we're doing, and I think helpful and educational for you. So let me know. But be sure to subscribe to our channel too, because not only do I do these videos every week like this, but Darko's been doing a lot of vlogging lately. And so if you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell when you do it, you'll get notified every time we put out a new video. They're really good little videos and very helpful, I hope. So I hope that this wind isn't causing too much noise in the speaker here, but I'll cap it at that. You guys have a great weekend. Thanks so much for listening in, and we'll see you next week. Take care.